Did you know Harry Truman wrote over 1,300 letters to the same woman across 53 years, and she asked him to burn every single one? He first fell for Bess Wallace when he was just a boy in Sunday school. He spent the next decade writing to her, asking her to marry him, getting turned down, and writing again anyway. She finally said yes in 1919, but she never really wanted the life that came with him. She told him she never wanted him to be president. She meant it. She hated Washington, hated the spotlight, and spent as much time back home in Independence, Missouri, as she possibly could. So he kept writing letters, because that was the only way to reach her. Near the end of her life, she asked him to destroy what he had written. He held those letters. He thought about it, and he couldn't do it. He had defied some of the most powerful forces in human history, but he could not let go of her words.